Food, especially Lviv's food, we all love it and we live in for it. Yet, if you want to cook simple Ukrainian dishes at home, is there a way to start? Hi guys, today's video is super weird and probably not the best of mine and the lighting is awful, but I've recently been doing my best to save the money and cook at home, so why shouldn't I share my journey? I'm the vlogger, for God's sake. And I thought it will be unfair for you to wait me for 2 weeks while I'm processing my serious video and just decided to record vlog for you. So recently I found adorable recipe of meatballs with buckwheat in Ukrainian style, and some folks from Twitter were asking me to put this video to check the recipe. So guys, in case you were craving to find easy-to-go Ukrainian recipes with cheap and healthy ingredients with zero knowledge of cooking, yes guys, I'm not the woman of the house and I'm guilty, yeah, but I'm learning together with you. So, you came exactly to the right place. So without further ado, let's go to cook. Here I have, guys, all the ingredients that we need, and to prove you that it's very cheap, I will show you how much it was cost. I've choose Silpo for buying the food, but next time I should do as it really on the budget. So tomato paste on sale, great, $1.40. Smoothie, let's treat ourselves, $1.50. Mushrooms, $1.80. Onion, 60 cents, great price. And I'm buying meats because I'm going to do meatballs with buckwheat and it costs $6.90 on sale. Gosh, I hope it's fresh because price is very attractive. I had already buckwheat at home, so I did not spend any money on it. However, it cost about 35 hryvnias, so it's $1. And I have got flour at home, so yeah. Flour in Ukrainian is boрошno. So let's mix our meats with salt and pepper. I remember the 90s when meat was something like unicorn in Ukraine. It was rare and expensive to find, and my grandma bought meat and did meats by herself without any automatic machine. Sorry guys, I have not mentioned chicken eggs. We probably will need 3 and 4 pack of 10 eggs, cost 60 hryvnias. I would like to ask you to excuse me for my face, as I have got chemical peeling in the cosmetologist's office and is not allowed to put makeup on while it's recovering, because I'm suffering from adult acne. Yeah, real skin has texture and pores, and this is reality. Have I mentioned I'm terrible cook? We forgot about buckwheat. We should boil it first. Let's cook our buckwheat 15 minutes on the slow fire. Do not forget to add salt. And okay, let's cut onion. The golden standard of Ukrainian cuisine on the budget is to add carrot and onion to any meal. We are displaced people from East, we have no any fancy machine to cut it for us, so only old school grandma mechanic. You guys, I've just finished with the onion, and I could admit that everyone who are capable to work as a cook, my heroes. I admire my friend Darcy. Darcy, you're doing a great job. I'm not capable. We will mix carrot with onion, and one part will go to the meats and another part go to the frying pan for kind of sauce. Our buckwheat is ready. Let's add it to meats and mix it. The good way about using buckwheat in your meatballs is reducing calories and make it more nutritious and proper for your stomach and for your health, because if you are using bread, for example, it's not very healthy. After, I'm chopping mushrooms and will add it to the frying pan and will hold it till onion will become golden color, and will do my best not to burn it. Let's add our pasta, and if you are seeing that it's starting to burn, just simply add water. Bummer guys, we forgot about this guy. This is the most expensive ingredient of all them today's meal, except meat of course. I don't know, but sweet pepper is ridiculously expensive in Ukraine. If you are an expat in Lviv or have been volunteering to Ukraine, you can confirm it. So let's cut sweet pepper. After, we are using flour to do balls from meats, and I forgot to film that clip. Sorry guys, I'm an embarrassment. And from this clip you see how meatballs should look. Let's add everything from the frying pan to the meatballs. While you are watching, do not forget to comment this video for algorithm. Thank you. So we have finished our additional preparation and dish is almost ready. Everything that is needed is to put it on the baking stove. So I have very old stove here because we are renting. This is not our house. We are IDPs from the east, if you remember, guys. So only old school cooking, only hardcore. Set timer on the phone for 20-25 minutes. So basically we just need to wait for 20-25 minutes, and all the leftovers that we have got I will put in the freezer for the next time. Oh my goodness, it's ready! Believe me, it tastes better than looking. Please guys, do not unsubscribe. Soon I will finalize my video about volunteers and it will be super serious, I promise. Thank you for watching.